First tonight, a jury has been seated in the Governor kidnapping plot trial. The group of 12 jurors will now decide the fate of the 4 men who are accused of planning to kidnap and kill the governor back in October 2020.
2 years of the government gathering evidence has culminated to this, and the court got down to business today, knocking out jury selection very quickly.
Less than 9 hours is all it took to seat a jury of 12 in the high-profile federal trial of the 4 men accused of plotting to kidnap and kill the governor.
I thought it was a very thorough process. Kind of nerve-wracking at first because of how high-profile the case is.
One by one, excused jurors from the group of 100 brought in left the courthouse as both sides of the case made their picks and cuts of the jury pool.
So the question is are you totally biased, or can you actually give the defendants a fair trial?
Matthew Snyder, the former U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Michigan, said the prosecution and defense would take their time to make sure they have an unbiased jury.
This isn't a polling place. This is a courtroom. So can you set all of that aside?
But the process moved faster than anyone expected, the court finding 7 men and 11 women to fill the entire jury, including alternates. The group of jurors have a daunting task ahead of them as the prosecution plans to present a mountain of evidence against these 4 men: Adam Fox, Barry Croft, Daniel Harris, and Brandon Caserta. Their attorneys will argue their clients were entrapped by undercover federal agents, while prosecutors say their people on the ground acted within their legal scope.
Yeah, it's a big deal. I'm hopeful that they'll receive a fair trial, but I also have deeply held convictions, and it will be interesting to see what happens.
Now, with jury selection out of the way, each side can present their case to the jury with opening statements set for tomorrow morning. And we will be there through it all, continuing to provide continuing coverage all throughout the trial. You can watch that coverage on air, online, and on streaming devices.